Finally got VSKF from VR Wheels and got tire mounted at Cyrus's.
Alright, all done.
Thanks, Si.
That one already got wiped down, so try not to touch it too much.
Whoa. Let's mount these. Oh my, 240. Thanks, Phil. Oh, look at that. Have to give my boy James home delivery.
Yes, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Sick.
So last event, my power steering high pressure line blew up, and I had to steal from Josh's race car since his tram was broken. I went and off-road warehouse to get fitting, AN fitting, and high pressure line. So I had to build them. There it is. Boom. High pressure lines done. Well, this is not ideal tool, but they have AN tool that are made out of aluminum, so it doesn't scratch like this. Got it done. Mr. Dollar Paint job guy. Professional dollar job.
All in the details, my boy.
Oh, easy right there. Touch. Detailing my car. Man, that's the most expensive tire I ever bought.
Oh, this looks tight. Overspray everywhere. All over my gold car. This is the part that's bothering me. Ooh.
Noise.
Now you know where it's rubbing. See. Oh, too much light. Looks bad. Hey, hit this guy up. Fresh paint job. Check it out.
Dollar paint job come in handy.
It's So when you're at full lock, people can see that your car is clean in the wheel well.
Yeah, that's all about in detail. Clean when you can't see.
Yeah.
Got to. Woo! All right, done. There you go.
Yeah, you need to.
Finally, we're going to unload containers.
6 months later. You know this container's supposed to be here in October, bro?
Yeah, COVID really messed it up. But we had a bagel in the morning. Beach ready to go. Super foggy. Where's Josh? Like right here. Here, boys.
We don't fit in here, as you can see. It's all 18 wheeler.
We're small rigs. We got small rigs. We got big dogs over here. Alright. We're here picking up. Finally our container showed up. Good job, guys.
Hey, why did you help me?
Good job.
Yeehaw!
Josh's 2-car trailer, which is 36 feet. 36 feet trailer, full of parts. 6 hours later.
Hello? Last piece is going in. We did all this so we can unload it again.
It's full 36 feet. Packed to the
Good
roof.
job, boys. You guys did good.
Gotta load whatever car on here.
Damn, I did all this by myself. Nobody helped me. Fuck, man. Now they want to come right at the end. I should have had the video recorded, but just dive
All the sold out stuff for free.
Oh, and then you guys want to record now.
Yeah.
You guys didn't do anything, dude.
Still gotta load one car and one car on my car trailer. Oh, started.
Turn on the lights there. Oh, digital cluster. Hey, Rob, we got digital
Oh, loaded up. 32, 2-car trailer. And Sora. Alright, let's go Kurazushi. Hopefully we don't wait for another hour and a half.
For real. Let's go,
We gotta call them. Let's bounce.
Yeah, what'd you guys order?
Round 2.
I gotta smash it. I can't leave $3 behind.
I'll do it if you do it. I'm so full.
They ordered way too much.
I got
14 plates, 13 plates.
tapped out.
I'm done, bro.
Oh, this last one is the hardest one.